Hey, Dallas with Simple Shipping Containers here, and today we're going to be talking solar arrays and solar on containers and batteries. So here's our 20-foot solar powered container, and now we're going to take you inside and look at some panels and batteries. So here we have 26 360 watt panels. These are about 40 inches by 72 inches. We're going to run 24 panels. That way we have 12 in each string, 2 strings of 12, 13 panels will be odd, and I'll talk about how we're going to wire in series, and we don't want 13 panels wired that way. So running 24 of these panels, we're going to have about 9,000 watts or almost 10 kilowatt hours of power. So here we have a 48 volt EG4 battery module. We've got 3 of these. They're pretty cool because they are modular. We got the cabinet, which fits 6 of them. You can get them from Signature Solar. Each one of these is about 5.3 kilowatt hour of storage. They will be wired in parallel, and we will use a GrowWatt 10 kilowatt hour charge controller to charge these batteries. All of these batteries will be housed in the container with the charge controller and inverter next to the solar array, generating about 10 kilowatt hours of power. Here we have the solar PV array combiner box. We're running 24 panels. You obviously don't want 24 wires coming into your inverter, so we're going to run sets of 4 panels. That's going to run about 160 volts. Each input on the solar combiner is good for about 200 volts, and then at 40 volts each panel is about 8.5 amps. So we're going to be running about 34 amps at each input. So we're going to use all 6 of these inputs for 24 panels, 4 panels on each input, and then you'll have your 2 DC wires of power coming out to your inverter, to the GrowWatt inverter. Here's what the inside of it looks like. Okay, our solar array is going to be out here. We've got about 60 feet from the sidewalk. Our array will be approximately 12 feet in width and 40 feet in length. We've got plenty of space here, and we have deflection from the south wind, and then we have deflection from the north wind with our shipping container storage. So our array is going to face to the south at about a 30-degree angle, and then we will have a shipping container next to it for all the electronics discussed earlier. Give us a shout at 500-3334 to discuss solar, or visit our website at simpleshippingcontainers.com. More to come on this project as it comes along.